We divide 148 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 8 and it is 48. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 3. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 148 divided by 5 is 29.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.